looking back at Paulina and some rolling forest hills over at East Lake. Did want to give a little safety tip. Right in the middle of this viewpoint section is actually a pretty steep and dangerous crevasse. I won't get any closer than here. So even while you're enjoying the beautiful panoramic views, do please be mindful of your spatial location and your footing. It's not a crevasse you want to fall into. One of the things I particularly love about the Deschutes National Forest in this area is all of the pine trees. My 3 favorite types of trees, and yes, I have favorite types of trees, who doesn't, right? Are pines, mountain hemlock, and blue spruces. So this is a very, we'll say, pine-orific area. I really enjoy a good pine. Hiking along the shoreline of Paulina Lake, doing a loop. I wanted to show you the panoramic views of the beautiful alpine lake, Paulina Lake. And there straight ahead is Paulina Peak. Here at the Newberry Volcanic National Monument. And we're doing the shoreline loop. That's what direction we just came from. And we're continuing along this way. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. So calm and peaceful, serene. Makes you just kind of want to jump in and go for a dip, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. I wanted to show you this panoramic perspective. Paulina Lake. Oh my gosh. Got a tropical feel practically. Although it's an alpine lake, 6,500 feet here in Central Oregon. Newberry Crater National Monuments. And that straight ahead is glorious Paulina Peak, framing the lake below. And we are enjoying spectacular panoramic viewpoints of the beautiful Paulina Lake. Look at this absolutely incredible shoreline of Paulina Lake, showing the Lakeshore Loop, and there's all sorts of spots along the way where you can stop and enjoy the shoreline. Look at that. That is absolutely spectacular. Look at this beautiful lake. My gosh. Hiking beside this flowing creek to the right of us. That is the creek that flows into Paulina Falls. Essentially, we're at the top of the falls, paralleling it, and we will be getting to a viewpoint of the falls shortly. I wanted to show you these 2 absolutely spectacular waterfalls. This is Paulina Falls. We're here, a metamorphic magic wonderland, and through old volcanic rock laden with obsidian black glass created through the metamorphic volcanic process, and through this volcanic area. Beautiful views in this direction. Look at that. Absolutely spectacular volcanic environment. And look at that. There's a beautiful view of Paulina Peak as we keep going. And all the way back to where we started again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sparkling obsidian is on the side of this hill to our left. This is a spectacular section littered with obsidian. Check this one out. Life on the flow. Interesting. Come get close. You can certainly pause it if you want to read some of that. Check out these epic views. And look at that view of Paulina Lake. This is beautiful. What a spectacular volcanic section.